This is a GE armature that's being wound. The bottom coils are already installed. Here we see the banded commutator on this end with the risers. They're open risers, the GE motor. Open risers, banded com. You see the bottom coils are all inserted. The top coils are about to be inserted. This commutator is got a register fit with a bolted flange connection. So it's bolted to the core. There's an equalizer ring on the opposite com end of the motor, and you can see the equalizer tab sticking out, about to be connected with the coils. That's the support ring, that white metal ring with the equalizer pack mounted to it. And here the winder is installing the top coils. This is a simplex lap wind motor. And this is where those coils would be joined to the risers. They'd be offset by 1 from the bottom coil. And that's because this is a simplex winding. It's offset by 1. And I'll show you a diagram of that in just 1 minute. The other end of the coils would just join together. The way this coil was purchased, it's 2 halves. The bottom coil is 1 half, the top coil is another half.
This illustrates how lap winding is connected to the commutator. The ending point of one coil is the starting point of the next coil. In a lap winding, the armature circuit is a series of coils, one series circuit. The ending point of one coil is the starting point of the next, and so on, all the way around that armature. And we lay the brushes down, we now have 4 parallel paths. To symbolize that, we can see it in this diagram. There are 4 parallel paths. A 4-pole lap wind motor simplex has 4 parallel circuits. If it was a duplex, it would have 8, and in a triplex, it would have 12. But a lap winding has parallel circuits like this. When voltage is applied to the armature, current will flow in the parallel paths. It is extremely important that each path carries the same exact amount of current.
Yeah. 27.829.
Yeah.
The top to come in.
There it is. It's offset by 1.
Yeah, it's offset by
So
1.
did you offset it here? Yeah.
Yeah,
So where is it? So the bottom is not right under here. It's off by 1.
So here's your 1
there's,
offset.
There's the 1 right there, and there, and there.
And this one right here is going to be your offset.
Okay. So the bottom coil is here, here, and here.
Yeah.
The top coil is here, here, and here. Is that right?
Right. And your offset's right here on that one and on this one here.
That
So
makes
these
sense.
two is where they cross it.
Yeah. So that makes so much sense.
Then,
See, down here, you just tie them together.
Take all 3 of these. Take all 3 of these and they'll cross like that. You can put your EQ wire here,
No.
or you can put it on the ends.
Okay, where is the bottom coil?
Right here, black, marked in black.
So that's, and you're just going to tie those 3 to those 3, aren't you?
Yeah.
No offset.
No offset.
I got you. You're just making a coil out of it.
Yep. And your EQ wire can land on any one of these 3 right here, as long as it matches all the way around.
Okay. Thank you so much. Appreciate that.